Alright, let's come back and see how we did here. We'll start with the top one, and I just put this guy down here just because I wanted you to understand this is what we need it to look like at the end when we're going to graph them. So let's come up here and see how you did. I would have started by hopefully putting this 1 in front of it because I think that makes it easier. And again, we need to get rid of this because this needs to go on the other side. So that would be minus 1x minus 1x. If you just wanted to put minus x, that would be fine. It doesn't really matter. Now we've got this. I'm going to kind of reorder this here. So my slope is first, equals negative 1x, and then that's positive 4, so I would have just put plus 4. We're real close. I just need to get this negative 4 off of the y. So that would be divide by negative 4. So that's going to leave me with y equals divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So negative 1 divided by negative 4, since it's a slope, we'll just leave it as a fraction. We've got two negatives, so that would actually be positive. So that would just be 1/4 x. And then that would be plus, and actually it's going to be minus, because if I do this division, 4 divided by negative 4 is actually negative 1. So that would be minus 1. That would be my answer to the first one. For the second one, we'll start the same way. We'll do the opposite here. We've got negative 5x. So the opposite of that would actually be plus 5x. Okay. So we'll do plus 5x over here. So now we've got this left. I'm going to rewrite that so my slope is first. 40 is positive, so it's plus 40. Now I have to go over to this guy right here. I have to get rid of this. It's hooked onto the y, so that's a times. So that would make that divide. So I have to divide by negative 4. So I will take this and divide by negative 4, and I will take this and divide by, I don't know why I put that twice if I'm putting the slash. There we go. And divide by negative 4. So that's going to get rid of this. So that's just y equals. Let's keep this as a fraction, and it's negative. So normally you see the negative would go on top, and it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to put it here. Just because I think it's easier to tell if it's on the top there, x, because it really doesn't matter. And then if I do this, 40 divided by negative 4, that's going to be a negative answer right there, so it would just be minus 10. So we've gone through this process of taking it from standard form, which you'll see, I mean, probably just as much as you'll see the other form, but it's way easier to graph this form right here. So hopefully this has really helped you go through the process of getting it turned from standard form to this form so we can graph it.